The EURUSD ended the trading week at the 1.0950 level, as investors showed disappointment from the latest economic releases. In the first half of the previous week, a lack of market momentum was seen amid top-tiered economic releases awaited for the US and Eurozone. The EURUSD failed to maintain momentum after decent market pressure in December 2023. Moreover, the weekly chart suggests a range-bound market where the January low is at 1.08. Overall, technical indicators in the weekly EURUSD chart suggest a lack of a directional bias, where the current price trades below the 200-day simple moving average. Meanwhile, the 20 and 100 SMA levels are closer to the price, with a sideways market. The daily EURUSD chart shows possible selling pressure as the price faces selling pressures from dynamic 20-day SMA. Meanwhile, the 100 and 200-day SMA remains directionless, while the momentum indicator grabbed sufficient bullish traction from the negative level. The EURUSD price reached the 1.1000 level in early January but failed to hold the momentum above it. In that case, a bullish buying pressure above the 1.1000 psychological level could increase the price toward the 1.1120 resistance level.